Welcome to this Unity Breath meditation. Please take a comfortable position, becoming mindful of the positioning that you have chosen, becoming aware of your entire body in this time and space. And we'll begin with taking a deep breath in through the nose, and then slowly exhale through the mouth. And taking another deep breath in through the nose. And exhale slowly through the mouth. Another deep breath in through the nose. And a slow exhale from the mouth. We'll spend a few more moments at your own pace, taking a deep breath in with a slow exhale. And now returning to the natural rhythm of your breath, allowing your body to take over. And now bringing your attention to the natural rise and fall of your chest or abdomen as you breathe in and out. Becoming aware of how it feels when the air meets your nostrils and travels up your nose and down your throat into your lungs. Being aware of the symbol of a breath in as the breath of life. And then now becoming aware of the reverse of that. Allowing the air to leave your lungs as a symbol of surrendering that breath of life. And we'll stay here for just a few moments, just with your breath in this time and space, giving yourself permission to be here now, releasing the worries and all the things to do just for this moment. And if your mind wanders in thoughts or distractions, just gently become aware of that and bring it back into the natural rise and fall of your chest or your abdomen. Now let your attention shift to a place on earth that you feel is the most beautiful place in the world. And see as much detail of this space as you can. And taking a deep breath into this scene of nature. Begin to feel love for this space and all of nature. Become aware of where it is that you feel this love within your body. Maybe it's in your heart center, or maybe it's in the pit of your stomach. But breathe into that space that you feel the swelling and the expansion of that love for this beautiful place in nature that can bring you so much peace and connection to the beauty of this place. Allow that love to expand and allow it to pour down into the deepest parts of the earth, with your intention allowing that energy of love to pour into the deepest part of the earth. And with that pouring, allow your love to flow into that center, connecting you with Mother Earth, becoming aware of her nurturing and her support that she provides for you. And allow that energy to return back to you as if the Mother is sending you love in this divine nature of nurturance and connection. Allowing it to enter back into that space of where you originally felt that love. And taking a deep breath in this cycle of giving that love and receiving that love to and from Mother Earth. And allow that energy to expand, allowing it to fill every cell of your body, letting it move through your light body, and overflowing to all the space within and around you, just as far as you can imagine. And take a deep breath in to a sense of union with nature and with Mother Earth. And holding on to this union, now take your attention in an upward direction into the heavens, connecting with the divine masculine, the divine father, the universe, and source energy. Imagine the space of the night sky. Imagine the Milky Way, the planets, the stars, and the moon. Feel the sun hidden beneath the earth, realizing the vast, mysterious, beautiful space of the heavens. Take a deep breath in, allowing this love to connect you with the universe. Noticing where it is that you feel this love expanding in your body. And taking a deep breath in, sending that love up into the heavens, pouring out gratitude and love for the Divine Masculine, the Divine Father. And now allowing the reverse of that, allowing that love to return to you, pouring down into you, allowing it to fill every cell of your body. Connecting you to that place of origin that you found love within. Letting it expand from there, entering into your light body and overflowing to all the space around you as far as you can imagine. And take a deep breath in, becoming aware of this union between the Divine Masculine and the Divine Feminine. Realizing that there is Holy Trinity alive on earth, connecting you with the Divine Mother, Father, and completing the perfect triangle. That can only be done through you. And taking a deep breath in to the connection of this divine union. And repeat after me out loud or within. I am safe. I am creative. I am strong. I am loved. I am expressive. I am connected. I am divine. Taking a deep breath in and sigh out what no longer serves you. Becoming aware of your divine nature, your divine connection and support. And now becoming aware of any gratitude that you have for this connection. Gratitude for the things in your life that nurture you and support you. Allow that energy of gratitude to expand within you and all around you as far as you can imagine. And stay here in this space of connection, in this space of being grounded, in this space of gratitude, for as long as you need to. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.